Hello and welcome to lesson 9 of Ndebele vocabulary, which we call amabala esiNdebele. In this lesson, I want to teach you some of the words that we use at the fields. So emasimini means in the fields. All right, I want you to know words like grass, the field itself, and things like water, the well. So let's get into it. I'll teach you the words and then I'll teach you also some simple sentences that you can use to describe some of the things that happen at the fields. So this is a field and we call it insimu ngesiNdebele. So if you wanted to say this is my field, you would say leyi insimu yami. All right? However, if you didn't want to say my field, if you just wanted to say this is a field, you would end here, leyi insimu. All right. So yami means mine. And then the plural of insimu is amasimu. Okay, fields, amasimu. And then, so if you wanted to say these are fields, you'd say lawa ngamasimu. All right. However, here we're saying grandma went to the fields. And the way we say it is ugogo uye emasimini. All right. We then say emasimini. She went to the fields. All right. This is called ikhuba. Okay? Ikhuba, a hoe. Leli likhuba. This is a hoe, right? What about this is my kuba? Leli likhuba lami. All right. It's always going to be lami, yami, or sami, depending on the word we're talking about. And then the X is called ihloga. Can you say that with me? Ihloga. All right. Leli lihloga is how you say this is an X. All right. Moving on to the grass, we call it utshani in Ndebele. Are you able to say that? Utshani. All right. Inkomo ziyabuthanda utshani. Cows love grass, right? Inkomo ziyabuthanda utshani. Then the soil is called inhlabathi ngesiNdebele, angisho. Inhlabathi. All right. Inhlabathi ebomvu means red soil. Inhlabathi ebomvu. Okay? So here we're going to say insimu leyi ile nhlabathi ebomvu. This field has red soil. Weeds are called ukhula in Ndebele. Okay? Ukhula. So if you wanted to say Snini is removing the weeds, you'd say usinini ukhipha ukhula. Okay? Remove, keeper. And then we have amache. Amache are stones in Ndebele. Okay? Amache. You want to say this field is full of stones, so you're going to say insimu leyi igcwele amache. Igcwele means it's full. It's full of. This is a well, which in Ndebele is called umthombo. All right? Umthombo. If you wanted to say this is our well, you would say lo ngumthombo wethu. All right? Lo ngumthombo wethu. Right, and this is umfula, a river. Okay? Umfula. Umthokozisi uye kukha amanzi emfuleni. Mthokozisi went to fetch water from the river. Okay? Uye kukha amanzi. If you wanted to say go and fetch water, hamba uye kukha amanzi. Amanzi. All right, thank you for watching. Let me see you in the next lesson. Sharp.